for my project, even if it's a really busy day, especially last week, it was one full day of shoot, so I didn't have any time to really take a photo until the very end of the day. It's actually a plus also that I work in a magazine because there's a lot of things going on every day, different things. Shoots, location shoots, new people to meet, and new activities. So it's a plus.
So, can you cheat? Like, if you don't take a photo today, can you take a photo tomorrow for today?
I try not to cheat, but sometimes I'm tempted. If I miss a day, I'll miss a day. And then I'll just make up for it the following day.
What was the greatest challenge that you encountered during the 365 project?
It would be missing the moment. Because whenever I'm doing something really exciting like spelunking or diving, I miss the moment where I should have gotten that picture. So it's a matter of timing. It's my